What's up guys, Jeremy with Everything iDevice, and in this video we're going to be going over an awesome application from Cydia called Iconoclasm Layout Maker. Now if you're familiar with the tweak Iconoclasm, basically what it allows you to do is to change your springboard layout, your app icon layout. I will have a link in the description for my tutorial on that tweak. But anyways, the Layout Maker here is a very cool application, guys. Something definitely worth getting. If you're into theming, this is a great tool to have. But even if you're not into theming, it's still a very cool tweak. So let's jump into the application itself. So this is basically how you open it up, and then as you can see, you just have one application there. There's a little plus symbol in the upper right hand corner. You can start adding applications, and as you can see, this is just kind of basically like freehanding the layout. You can basically put the app icons anywhere you want. So I'll just add a few here, just like so. Now if you want to remove one of them, you just click the little trash bin in the upper left hand corner, just like so. Now this is where it gets really cool. Down here on the bottom there's grid. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the grid on so you can see what it looks like. So there's the grid, and that's the normal springboard layout, which would be 4 icons by 4 icons. The next thing you can do is you can actually change the grid dimensions. So let's do 6 by 6, just like so. As you can see, the grid changed, and then now you can turn snap to grid on, so it's basically acting like your springboard. It will snap these icons in place, as you can see. And then say that's the layout I wanted to save. I can just go ahead and click the little floppy disk in the lower left hand corner like so, and name that layout to whatever you want. And after you save it, it will save into the Iconoclasm tweak itself, and I'll show you where you can find those in a minute. You also have Resizer, so you can resize the app icons, but keep in mind this is not actually going to change it for everybody. You have to have a certain tweak which will allow you to resize your app icons. This Layout Maker will not do that for you. It just will show you basically what it's going to look like after you resize them. So next thing is you can hide the buttons at the top, the plus and the trash can. And then the next thing is, if you go ahead and you swipe up from the bottom here, you can access the layouts you have created yourself. And then also there's system layouts, which are the layouts that are in Iconoclasm or layouts that you download from the extras section in Cydia for Iconoclasm. So I'm going to go back to user layouts, and then here Arena is a layout that I created. I can go ahead and click on the layout, and you can set to home screen, you can set extras, you can view and modify it, so it's very nice. You can change it after you've made it, and then you can also upload it. And then if you go over to system layouts, once again I'll click 5 by 5 right there. You can set to home screen, set extras, and you view it right there. And hold on, there's even more. So you can see the little photos app icon there. If you click that, you can change your background. So if you have a theme with a clock widget or a weather widget, you can take a screenshot of it, and then you can put the let's just change the image real quick, just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So I'll just use this background right here. So as you can see, it puts it as the background, and say I didn't want the little, there's the top of the Apple logo right there. If I didn't want any icons on it, I can easily see where the icons are going to sit over that wallpaper. Very cool. And that's basically it for the Layout Maker itself. Now I'm just going to go over into my settings application, and then I'm going to scroll down to Iconoclasm right there, and then if I go to layout, as you can see there is Arena, which I created, and I also created 4 by 3 by 4, and they were put into the layouts automatically after I created them. And that is basically it. Again, it's called Iconoclasm Layout Maker. It's free in Cydia, and it's awesome. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments. This is Jeremy with Everything iDevice, and I'll catch you guys later.